Okay, hi, I'm Wenzel. I'm from Germany, but living in Langkawi.
I'm Addie, I'm from Philippines, but yes, living in Langkawi.
I think about you day and night. It's only right to think about the girl you love and hold her tight. So happy together. If I should call you up, invest a dime, and you say you belong to me and ease my mind, imagine how the world could be so very fine, so happy together. I can't see me loving nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, baby, the sky should be blue for all my life. Me and you and me, no matter how they toss the dice, it had to be. The only one for me is you, and you for me, so happy together. I can't see me loving nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, baby, the skies would be blue for all my life.
This is a surprise for me for my birthday, and it was really amazing. I've never expected to be this nice.
Yeah, it was fantastic. I think the captain did a great job. The weather conditions weren't the best, but it was a good decision to go up. The tour was just excellent. We seen a couple of islands. We've seen Langkawi from above, and completely different point of view of seeing Langkawi. It was fantastic, and I think we would do it again.
I can't see me loving nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, baby, the skies will be blue for all my life. Me and you and me, no matter how they toss the dice, it had to be. The only one for me is you, and you for me, so happy together.
This is my first time, and
I've flown in a helicopter before, but not in Langkawi, and not for sightseeing. It was more a transportation, method of transportation. It was like 4 years ago, but it's something today completely different, because of course you have a better contact to the captain, and you can, he's communicating to you, so he's making what you basically ask for, and it's just very great.
Watching this, we both live in the hotel, so we'll definitely recommend this to our guests, and this is a very nice experience. You really have to do it.
Yeah. If you want to see Langkawi from a different point of view, you should definitely do it. Thank you so much.